Hello, you're welcome to today's science class with Mrs. Adiola. Today, we'll be talking about something that happens around us every day and all the time. In fact, it is the only constant thing in nature. And what is that thing? Change. Today's topic is changes in nature, temporary and permanent change. What is change? Change is when something becomes different from what it used to be, and changes occur in both living things and non living things. Types of change. We have two types of change, and they are temporary change, which can also be called reversible change, and we also have the permanent change, which is called the irreversible change. Temporary change. Temporary change or reversible change is a kind of change that the occurrence can go back to what it used to be. It is a change that can turn or go back to what it used to be. Examples of temporary change. Number one, we have ice melting to water. When you put water in the freezer and it turns to ice block, after a while you bring it out, the ice will turn back to water. Then we have melting candle. Number three, inflating balloon. When you blow air into a balloon, it becomes big. If you release the air blown into the balloon comes back to what it used to be. Then we have boiling water. When you place water on a fire and it boils, it is very hot. Then after a while, you off the fire and put the boiling water on a cooler surface. It becomes cold after a while. So these are the examples of temporary change. They are temporary change because they can be reversed back to what they used to be. So, what is permanent or irreversible change? Permanent or irreversible change is a kind of change that the substance cannot be returned to its original state. It means that it cannot go back to what it used to be easily. Example of permanent change. Some of the examples of permanent changes are rusting of iron, 2. A little child growing into an adult. Bursting of balloon. Number 4, frying egg. 5. Burning of paper. 6. Leaves falling from trees. Now, all these examples stated are only some of the examples of permanent changes that happens around us. Can you look around your environment and give other examples of permanent and temporary change? So, guys, that will be all for today. I hope you've learned something. Do you have any question? You can drop it at the comment section. See you again next time. Bye.